Hey, oh God.
Ooh, videotaping.
Hey, welcome back to yet another episode. If you still like the videos, hit the like button. If you're all new, hit the subscribe button and click that little bell. Bing. And anyway, it's really lightning out today or tonight, as you can see. We're scared the power is gonna go out. Anyway, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys it. It's crazy out here. It's non-stop lightning. Anyways.
If it's turning it, just hold it down.
Anyway, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the like button if you're still liking the videos. And I just wanted to show you guys. This is what it's like outside right now. Bye.